Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, I'm Syah Ramadan from UiTM Tapah under Applied Science Faculty Part 1. Today I want to talk about Introduction to Chemistry, and this video gonna be fun, I think. Yeah. Whatever. Let's go. Okay, chemistry is used in everyday life as well, like cosmetic, medicines, agriculture, washing agents, and other industry employ chemicals ranging from simple to compound. So, in this video, let's understand everything about chemistry, its branches, and its application. Let's go. But wait, before we going through the topic Introduction to Chemistry, let's understand what is science. The term science is the one that we are all familiar with. But what is science? How has it been developed? And why is it so important? Since ancient times, man has always been curious about nature and the fascinating world around him. In this learning process, human beings started observing natural occurrences and came up with some endings. This effort further led to new ideas. These organized human discoveries were later on given the name science. The scientific knowledge gained importance, and it was passed on from one generation to another to develop mankind. With time, the total of this knowledge brought about profound changes in human behavior, and people start enjoying the miracle of science. Okay, let's move to the next topic, Introduction to Chemistry. Science is broadly classified into three main branches, which is physics, biology, and chemistry. Nature is a large reservoir of different kinds of substances that need to be minutely studied to understand and appreciate. The branch of science that deals with studying the composition and the physical and chemical properties of various forms of matter is called chemistry. The next topic is the main branches of chemistry. The main branches of chemistry are organic, inorganic, physical chemistry, and analytical chemistry. Introduction to inorganic chemistry. It deals with compounds that do not consist of carbon and hydrogen atoms. Next, Introduction to physical chemistry. It is a branch of chemistry that deals with the behavior of matter at a molecular or an atomic level. It is the study of microscopic and particulate phenomena in chemical systems in terms of the practice, principle, and concept of physics such as force, time, motion, statistical mechanics, thermodynamics, chemical equilibrium, quantum chemistry, and analytical dynamics. Next, Introduction to Biochemistry. The branch of science that deals with control and coordination with a living organism is called biochemistry. It deals with structures, interaction, and function of biological macromolecules such as lipids, carbohydrates, and proteins. Introduction to Organic Chemistry. The element carbon forms covalent bonds with atoms of other elements like hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, oxygen, and halogens. The following compounds are studied under a separate branch of chemistry called organic chemistry. But according to modern definition, organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry dealing with the study of hydrocarbons and the compound which could be thought of as the derivative of hydrocarbons. In the early days, it was considered impossible to prepare organic compounds in the laboratory. Berzelius 1807 believed that organic compounds are from living organisms, and this could only be produced by some mysterious force called vital force, and they cannot be prepared artificially. According to him, inorganic compounds are from non-living sources like minerals. However, this vital force theory was rejected in 1828 when Waller prepared an organic compound
urea by heating ammonium cyanide and inorganic compound. Then the synthesis of acetic acid by Colby showed conclusive that organic compounds could be synthesized from inorganic sources in a laboratory. A large number of carbon compounds are formed due to their high catenation capacity, which is ability to function with its atoms. It can form single and multiple bonds with its atoms or other atoms. Carbon can form 4 single bonds, a double bond and 2 single bonds, a triple bond and a single bond, or 2 double bonds with atoms or other atoms as per their requirements. All these bonds are strong, and also carbon can form ring compounds and fuse ring compounds. Isomerism is one of the reasons for an innumerable number of carbon compounds. The primary natural sources of organic compounds are coal, petroleum, natural gas, animals, and plants. Organic compounds are vital for sustaining life on the earth and include complex molecules like genetic information bearing, DNA, and proteins that constitute essential compounds of our blood.
Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching until the end, and I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to like and share. Bye. Thank you.